Today, I'd like to share with you a delicious breakfast sauce recipe made with roasted eggplants and roasted red peppers, which you can also preserve for winter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell to stay updated on my new recipes. I washed 1 kilo of eggplants and 1 kilo of red kapia peppers for the sauce. I pierce them in several places with a knife and roast them in the oven. Once both sides are roasted, I place them in a bowl, cover it, and let them sit for about 20 minutes. This way, it's much easier to peel the skins off the vegetables. Look, I'm peeling the skins off. I clean them as thoroughly as possible. It's okay if a few bits remain. I definitely don't wash them. Washing would affect the taste. I'm peeling the eggplants as well. All my ingredients are ready. I cleaned about half a kilo of chili peppers and I'm processing them in a food processor. If you like it spicy, feel free to use hot peppers, they go great. I added 1.5 cups of olive oil to a pot. Then I add the peppers I coarsely chopped in the processor. I sauté the peppers over high heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. The peppers are now well sautéed. I add about 1 kilo of tomatoes, peeled and coarsely processed in the food processor. I continue sautéing. I'll sauté the tomatoes for about 5 more minutes. I add 5 to 6 cloves of grated garlic. I also processed the roasted eggplant and now I'm adding that too. I coarsely processed the roasted red peppers as well and added them too. I add enough salt to taste. I add about a quarter tea glass of vinegar. I mix it thoroughly. I close the lid of the pot and simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. I add half a bunch of finely chopped parsley. I give it a good stir. I close the lid again and cook it over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, I remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. The sauce is ready. Look, it turns out to be a very nice and delicious sauce. I strongly recommend you try it. I don't turn off the heat. While it's still boiling, I fill it into jars, holding them with a cloth. Because I want them to vacuum seal well for winter storage. If your jars don't vacuum seal properly, they will let air in and the sauce will spoil. I wipe the rims with a napkin. Then I close them tightly with new lids. I screw the lids on tightly and turn the jars upside down, letting them cool this way. You can store your sauces in the refrigerator or in a cool, dark place. My sauce is ready. I hope you try it and like it too. Thanks for watching my video.